Hello everyone, welcome to this Java crash course. In this Java crash course, we're going to talk about Java syntax. So this is second part of Java crash course, and in this part we're going to talk about Java syntax. So guys, now let's begin. First of all, guys, here I'm going to open this folder in VS Code. So guys, if you don't know what is VS Code, then guys, in short, VS Code is a editor. So VS Code is a code editor. So guys, now here I'm going to create a file. So guys, if you don't have any code editor, then guys go and download VS Code. So guys, I recommend VS Code will be best. So guys, you can download any code editor, but VS Code will be best. Now I'm going to create this file by hitting enter, and guys, now file is created. Now I'm going to write, guys, now you can see class. Here I have written this, and guys, here I'm going to tell this, and guys, now here you can see public class Java G02. So guys, this is the name of file, and guys, remember, only you should write name of file, and guys, remember, this needs to be uppercase, and also file name needs to be uppercase. Now guys, here I'm going to create a public method, public static, public static, and guys, here that, and guys, here I'm going to write main, and guys, now here I'm going to write system dot, guys, system dot out println, and guys, here I'm going to hello world, and guys, now here we have to write string args, and guys, here you have to write this, and guys, now we are done. Now guys, first of all, we have that public static void main, then guys, this string, then this bracket, and args. So guys, now if you run this code, then guys, you can see hello world. So we have printed this. So guys, now let me explain this code. Before going any further, I want to tell you about comments. What is comment? So guys, comment is very important topic in any programming language. So the guys, here like this, here I'm going to write 2/, and guys, now here I'm going to write comment. This is a comment. Like this, we can write a comment. And guys, first of all, guys, let me explain what is comment. Why should you use comments? Comment is a very important topic in any programming language. And guys, here you can see this is comment, and guys, now if I run this, then guys, nothing will happen here. Here you can see hello world, nothing has happened. And guys, now if I remove this, and guys, now if I run this, then guys, then it will show me 6 error, and guys, syntax, and guys, you can see syntax error has talking, and guys, this will show me an error, and guys, so guys, that's why we have to write backslash like this, and guys, like this we have to write backslash. Without that backslash we can't write comment. So guys, now let me tell you why should you use comment. So guys, first of all, guys, here I'm going to tell you like this, we can write comments here. Here we have printed, and guys, now you can see here we have printed, and guys, now after some times we will come, and guys, now we can see we can read this, and guys, we can understand what we have done here. So guys, printed here, here we have printed hello world, and guys, like this we can understand. Here we have printed hello world. Now let's get back to our topic. Now guys, first of all, here we have written this Java 01. So he can see this name need to be the file name. Then guys, now you can see Java 02. This is the file, and guys, this is a class. So guys, yeah, this is a class. Here I have written this, and guys, also we can write multi-line comments here, like here. This is we can write multi-line comments, not like this, and guys, here you can write multi-line comments like this. And guys, here like this we can write multi-line comments. And guys, we're going to use single line comments, but here but sometimes we have to use multi-line comments. And guys, now you can see, now here we have written this. Here this is a method. This is a this is a method, and guys, here we have that method like public static void main. So this is method name, and guys, here we have, so this is parameter. So guys, we're going to talk about classes and methods in our other video, because this is the advanced topic. We're not going to tell you what is classes and method, because this will take 2 or 3 videos. So guys, this topic is very advanced. So guys, that's why we have to that's why I'm going to create a separate video about classes and methods. So guys, we're not going to talk about classes and method in our next video. We're going to talk about in other video, because guys, here first of all we're going to know about basic of Java. So guys, you can see we have printed like a system.out.println hello world. So guys, now like this we can print hello world, and guys, like this we can print anything, and guys, like this we can print anything. So guys, now that's it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So guys, if I get more videos like this, then guys, please make sure to subscribe. Here many people are watching but they don't subscribe, so that's why please make sure to subscribe. So now that's it. Bye bye.